Hello, I'm Steve Nodes, President and CEO of Echelon Distribution, a service-disabled veteran-owned small business and hub-zone firm. Echelon provides a wide range of high-quality medical and facility maintenance products with a single contact convenience and unparalleled customer service. Today I'd like to introduce the Safer Lock, a new product that we're offering that will have a huge impact on the growing opioid epidemic in America. Every 19 minutes, someone dies from an accidental prescription drug overdose. Every day, 3,000 teenagers begin experimenting with prescription drugs for the very first time. 70% of these prescriptions that are abused originate in the home. Only 3% of medications are locked up. Medications are extremely important to the patient, but can be very dangerous to others. This is the Safer Lock. Safer Lock is a patented 4-digit locking cap that fits onto a standard prescription bottle. Without knowledge of the combination, no one can take the medication without stealing the entire bottle or destroying it, in which you would then know there was an issue. Safer Lock is a very common thread size and fits most standard medication bottles. How the Safer Lock works. While on the correct combination, twist the Safer Lock cap tightly onto the medication bottle. Once the Safer Lock is closed tightly, mix up the combination to lock it. The cap should spin freely without opening once it's locked. To reopen the Safer Lock, dial the combination to the correct combination and twist to open. The Safer Lock combination can easily be changed by the user to 10,000 different combinations. Combinations can be registered online in the event they're forgotten. The U.S. is facing an epidemic, and veterans are not exempt. In 2016, more people died from overdose than were killed in the entire Vietnam War. But overdose is just the tip of the iceberg. For every one overdose, there are 15 abuse treatment admissions, 26 ER visits, 115 people developing dependency, and 733 non-medical users. From 2014 to 2016, there were 29 million controlled substance prescriptions written for veterans. More than 50% of vets who receive opioids use the pain medication chronically. 44% of vets have children in the home. 1.9 million Americans have a substance abuse disorder involving prescription pain relievers. 90% of prescription drug addictions start in their teenage years. 70% of abused medications originate in the home, and only 3% of homes currently lock up their medications. Safer Lock is the only bottle lock on the market. There are 10,000 possible combinations. Safer Lock is CPSC certified, child-resistant, and senior-friendly. It fits existing medication vials, and the bottles are included. Safer Lock can be an important part of improving veteran patient safety. Veterans are twice as likely to die from accidental opioid overdose than non-veterans. From 2010 to 2015, veterans addicted to opioids rose 55% to 68,000. 13% of all veterans are currently prescribed opioids. Opioid abuse is the leading cause of homelessness among vets. In 2010, 78% of drug overdose deaths in the U.S. were unintentional, and 60% were related to pharmaceuticals. Even though veterans need their medications to manage pain, vets who lose or have their medications stolen will be unable to obtain a new prescription, leaving him or her at risk for the duration of the month. VA recommended prescribing procedure. The doctor prescribes Safer Lock to opioid patients who fit any one of the 4 qualifications. Qualified patients include patients with children or grandchildren in the home, a patient prescribed more than 2 weeks' supply of opioids, patients prescribed opioids for the first time, or patients in distributed environments. Make sure your pharmacy is stocked with Safer Lock. If not stocked, order Safer Lock from Echelon Distribution with our contact information on the last slide of this presentation. Make sure you educate physicians on what Safer Lock is, that Safer Lock is available for prescribing, and what patients qualify for a Safer Lock prescription. In summary, opioid medications are very important to those they are prescribed to, but can be very dangerous to others. 70% of all medications that are being abused originate in the home medicine cabinet, wherein just 3% are actually locked up. Safer Lock provides a way to protect your patients and their families with an opportunity to reduce costs. While there is no silver bullet to end the opioid abuse and addiction, the addition of Safer Lock can help curb the potential for opioid abuse. Echelon Distribution welcomes the opportunity to speak with your facility's doctors, pharmacists, patient safety directors, and PBMs to help improve healthcare outcomes for those who serve this country.